Hey everyone, today I'm going to be walking you through the onboarding flow for APX, the product that me and my team have been working on for the past few months. So what is APX, you might be wondering? APX is a platform for running targeted AI agents against your production infrastructure. Think of these AI agents as a team of specialized engineers that are looking for specific types of problems and hopefully fixing them for you in the background. When you sign up for APX, you give us access to your existing tooling and infrastructure. So think GitHub for source code, stuff like Datadog for observability, Sentry for errors and crashes, and Postgres for database telemetry. To get going with APX, you can go to our website, stepchange.work, and click the Try Step Change APX button. Once you do that and you input your email and other information, you'll be prompted with an integration flow. The first integration you will see is Datadog. And if you go to Datadog, all you need to do is give us read-only access to your Datadog information. To give you a specific example of what one of our Datadog agents can do, a common complaint that people have with Datadog is Datadog costs. So we have an agent that can monitor your Datadog for spikes in logs, cardinality, and metrics explosions. And if you give us GitHub access, we can often open a pull request to basically turn off those logs or the thing that's spiking your Datadog bill. So we're going to skip this for now. The next thing that we have is Sentry. So to enable our Sentry agents, we just need access to your projects, issues, and events. Now, a common complaint with Sentry is that its user interface can be quite overwhelming. There's a lot of information there and it's hard to know what to focus on first. Our agents give you the top 5 things that you should be looking at. And in the case of small things like type errors or issues with your Prisma ORM, we can actually open a pull request to address those issues and let you know when they start trending in your new releases. Next up is Postgres. To enable the Postgres agents, all we need is the PG monitor read-only role. This gives us access to your database telemetry, query data, all that kind of stuff. We don't need full access to your database and we don't want it, quite frankly. This agent can do things like look for wasted space, analyze slow queries, do things like spot unused indexes, and give you basically SQL commands to drop and get rid of those things there. As a reminder, these agents aren't all or nothing. So if you were to skip all of these but just give us Datadog, we would still probably be able to find ways to reduce your Datadog bill. We just might not be able to open up pull requests to make any changes that we need to in your source code to actually do that if we don't have GitHub access. So again, here's GitHub. You give us access to the repositories that you want us to generate fixes for. Log into APX. It's going to take some time to load all of the data into the system. And when it does, it's going to send you a welcome email with a summary of its findings. And you can also install a Slack bot so you can ask the APX agents questions about either current issues that they're seeing in your infrastructure or just in general stuff from Sentry, stuff from Postgres, stuff from GitHub. An example of one of these issues is Datadog log costs. So kind of what you'll see here is a breakdown of basically what is going into your Datadog logs bill and changes in percentage week over week. These things continuously run against your production infrastructure. And so we can kind of tell in this particular example that there is a lot of debug level logs happening there. And in many cases, we can give you a specific recommendation for turning those off. Anyway, if you're interested in this, it's a 30-day free trial. You can go to stepchange.work and sign up for this today. Thank you. Bye.